This is a 1 week review of a Kaufman 35.5. I love this trailer so far. Having these mesh floor tie downs is definitely a game changer. Going from side D-rings and stuff and rub rails to wrap around axles, tires, control arms, stuff like that. It really sucks, and over time you're tearing up straps and constantly replacing them. The back of the trailer is really low. I got 7-foot aluminum ramps, as you can see. Very easy to get cars on and off without scraping. Absolutely love it. I have the standard axles, wheels, and tires. Just Diamondback radials. They squat pretty well, which is not very good, to be honest. Probably be upgrading these soon, but other than that, they're doing pretty good. No blowouts or anything. It's only a weekend, like I said. The powder coat could be better, or paint, whatever, because it's starting to rust a little bit, but it's piddly stuff, nothing important, you know. I definitely recommend this trailer to anyone looking at one. I mean, it fits 2 cars comfortably, and you can put 2 pickups on here too with the space you got. I mean, but if you're gonna buy one of these or order it, make sure you get the mesh floor. Don't play around, get the mesh. I also went ahead and got the double jack upgrade instead of the single in the middle. It's a $120 option, or at least it was in December of 2020. I ordered it in December 12th, and I just got it about a week ago, and this is late March, so that's where we're at. The neck features are standard. You know, you got normal chains, you know, nothing fancy, nothing too crazy. Small little tray toolbox deal. It fits straps, that's about it. Not really any tools, but it's okay. I scaled this trailer empty by itself with nothing on it. I scaled it with the steel ramps on it, so it's a little bit heavier, but it was 4,300 pounds even on the scale. That is extremely light for a trailer that's 35.5 foot long. That is impressive. That was with the straps in the toolbox. I mean, everything, you know, that's really impressive. So I definitely recommend this trailer. I got this from Scott Stovall in North Carolina at Kaufman Trailers. He knows what he's doing, so if you're looking to get one of these, talk to him. All right, see you guys.